If you want to learn how to upload files on your Google Drive, just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. First step, as usual, open Google Drive on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Once Google Drive is open on your phone, press the Files icon at the bottom right corner of your screen for you to be able to start uploading files, photos, videos, and more. Then, press the colorful plus button at the bottom right part of your screen, and here you'll see the upload option. Press upload, and here you can upload either photos and videos or browse for other files. If you press the photos and videos, just press the particular photo or video that you want to be uploaded on your Google Drive. Now, if you want to upload documents or files, again, press the plus button at the bottom right part of your screen, press upload, and then go to browse. Here, just find and click the particular file that you want to upload and press done. This will automatically upload that file to your Google Drive. Now, press the three dots at the right part of the uploaded file, and here you'll see the option to share that file to your friends, family, or workers. At the bottom part, you'll see the Manage Access option, so press that and make sure that the general access is not restricted. Change this to anyone with the link. You can also change viewer to commenter or editor. So it means that if you choose editor, anyone with the link can edit the file that you will send. Once you've changed this, you can go back, again press the three dots and go to copy link. This will copy the link of the document to your clipboard, and you can start sending it on other messaging platforms such as Messenger, Instagram, Gmail, and more. That's all for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.